Good morning, it is Nick Corr at Montana Affordable 4x4s. Today we have a 2009 GMC Sierra White Diamond Edition. Never had one of these before. It's basically a ivory white paint job with a light tan interior, and they call it the White Diamond Edition. This does have a leveling kit on it. It is sitting on some all-terrain 18-inch chrome wheels. Very good looking and clean for its age. Has these oversized fender wells that I think are a part of the White Diamond Edition, along with these tail lights and the wheels. Spray and bed liner, sunroof. Let's take a look inside. Amp research steps, all power options. There you go, White Diamond Edition. So we have this priced at $21,995. Come on down, talk to me about your trades. If you want to make a cash offer, if you need financing. And definitely take a test drive in this. 1407 Harrison Avenue, Butte, Montana. You will be able to see this on our Facebook page and Instagram, MontanaAffordable4x4s.com, or you can come down and check out our growing selection of clean, affordable 4x4s. We also do a nano ceramic coating, and we also have all kinds of accessories for anything you can think of for your vehicle, off-road wise, inside, outside. Look forward to seeing you. Thanks.